folks, this is how exactly how I feel. I'm making a song for you. It's the reason my story. I know you didn't like what I was doing in my life. I guess I let you down tonight. So many fights and so much drama in my life. I guess you didn't care how much I feel. But remember when that last time I told you how I feel? You just put me down, didn't you? I know this was wrong of you, you didn't care how I feel. So I had to signal for myself. So I speak for myself, I speak for myself, I speak up for myself. I speak up myself, I speak up for myself, I speak up for myself. I know there's so much things that you don't really like of me. Why I ever tell you this you're wrong? I knew this was wrong and you said to me the stuff you said behind my back was a lie. But remember when I told you this is the last that you see of me? But remember I let you down, didn't I? So many fights of drama in my life because I changed. You didn't like what I was doing. So I speak my eyes, I speak up for myself, I speak up for myself. I speak my life, I speak up for myself, I speak up for myself. Don't tell me that I'm wrong, I left you on your own because you didn't care for me. Please believe that I have a crowd standing beside me because I am a positive person that will never give up no matter what. I speak for myself, so I speak for myself, I speak up for myself. I speak up for myself, I speak myself, I speak up for myself. I speak of my life, I speak up for myself, I speak up for myself. I speak up for myself, I speak up for myself, I speak up for myself.